This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 GH Mazda 6 hatch luxury sport, stock reference number 3976. This shape runs from the first month 2008 through to the 11th month 2012. It has an L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, square type. This vehicle is fitted with factory 18-inch alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left hand seal skirt in good condition. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light, chrome insert type. Left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. It's got a tidy rear park sensor type bumper cover. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right hand tail light, chrome insert type. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 2 small dents. Right front door has 3 small dents. Right hand seal skirt in good condition. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with leather interior in black. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, dual zone climate control, heated controls, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise, audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.